If you've ever had trouble wrapping plumber's tape around hard to reach pipes, I'm going to show you exactly how to get around that issue. Around the issue. Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Kelly Concepts. If you're new here, subscribe because I'm flipping a cabin and there's a lot of goodies coming from it, starting with this little plumbing trick here. Okay, so you may encounter a time where you have a valve or some type of plumbing really close to a wall, or in an area like this where you don't have room to wrap this entire wheel around a certain diameter. So what you do instead is you wrap the tape around a screwdriver, a pencil, or something really thin like this, and that'll help you then rewrap it around your actual pipe. Let's do it. As you can see, it's actually very simple. This is meant to be a really quick video. Another note to make sure that you are aware of is to wrap the tape in the same direction that you're going to be twisting on the next pipe or the hoses or whatever it is you're attaching to the threads, because you want it to go with the tape, not against it. Otherwise it'll just kind of rip it or peel it off the pipe that you just spent all the time threading. All right, so the Moen sink is pretty much ready to go and turn back on. Thank you all so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up below. Help out your other fellow plumbers and DIYers. Take care of their plumbing needs. Thanks. See ya.